I did some test flushes, and there wasn't the quantity of water coming out into the bowl that should have been coming out. So I think some of the rim holes are clogged. So I'm going to break this thing open with a hammer right here, and that way I can take a look at how open the rim holes are and stuff like that. So this should be interesting. All right, here we go. Let's see. Let's start maybe right there. See what that did. There's a nice little hole. All right, we'll continue here. Woo! Little shot of the rim opening and the trapway opening down there. Hit it from the front here. Here's the pocket that goes down into the siphon jet. Let's do a side one here. Gotta be really careful because these shards are razor sharp. The glaze is basically glass, so it's like dealing with shards of broken glass. Alrighty.